Hi guys, it's 6 months in pandemic and I've been improving my own pattern and it's got better and better, and now it's got to point when it's 6 layers of protection and it's very light as your surgeon mask, and you can wear it all day long. You can slide it down if you need to eat or drink something, and you don't have to take it off completely, touching that part which is under virus or something like that. You can operate that mask very easy. And well, how to make it, what improvement I make above my token, by the way, gonna be white line. If you click on it, you will see original my pattern how to make this mask from a Halyard material. And right after that video will be another white line, which is just after I finish my talking about Halyard material. Well, where to get it, and it's very cheap to buy it. And in the end of this video, I will put another click. You can click on it, and you will take you to the same video where to get that good filtration material. I'm not using anymore because it's washable. It's perfectly washable. Why use cotton unless you want to go after some pattern? But it's good, look nice and blue and all medical, and it makes sense to me to make from now on to make masks only from this fabric. And what I did, comparing to that last video, which is I already put it on, well, what I did, I stepped away from this end of it, about 1.5 inches in, and I stitch it across to keep the splits down, because otherwise it's look too messy from inside and from outside. That's what I did. Even like more like from very end, from this point of stitching will be 1.5 inches. From very end will be 1 3/4 in, and I stitch those. I put the splits down like that, and I stitch them down. What is hold good here and here. Another improvement, instead two little dots around nose, I make 3 little dots, like 2 millimeters each. Make much more fitted. And on the chin, I do make this on a purpose, that's the dart on the chin outside. When you grab that mask after washing, you know exactly where is bottom, where is top, because it's visible. And instead 1/2 inch leaning towards the chin, I make 1 inch, and I stitch it down like that. What is lay much more better, much more deeper under chin, provide you with better fit around your face and under your chin. And another improvement what I did, this layers pocket for filter, I stitch it as well, darts about 1/2 inch, a little bit more as 1/2 inch in. I did by hands here as well. I was in Russia, but you can do with machine, and then stitch it flat like that, what it's not bothering you, on both sides of this pocket. 1/2 inch in, and then stitch it down. That's how it's done. What these parts inside your pocket lean better. Kind of do not create too much mess around your nose. Don't touch your nose, and it's much more easy to keep this mask on, because it's not so much what's going on inside to bother you, even if this fabric is very light. And guess what, I figure up, I put good filter in from same material. Watch it, I make 4 layers of it, 1 2 3 4, plus if I put inside 4 layers, I have straight up all that. You even can stitch it permanent because it's all washable. I don't, because if you stitch it, it's gonna take a long time to dry. When I wash it separate, filter with mask. And well, I have front and back 2 layers plus 4 more in the filter, come up with 6 layers of it. What it's mean? It's mean today I'm gonna make later on that cover for my head, what I was talking to you in another video, how to check, because I already made another mask right here, that mask from same material. I already made this one, which is Florida University pattern, copy of N95. And this mask, the people claim it's pass. I checked fit, very nice fit, I have to tell you. Look very funny when you're wearing it, because it look like duck nose on you, but it's not flat at all. It's totally, if you're talking, this is Olsen type mask, but this is completely Olsen type mask. But people claim what it does. don't have nothing in going in. They check it the same way what the hospital check N95 masks, check this homemade mask from Halyard material, and it's pass all tests. Well, today later on I'm making cover for my head and I'm passing, and I see how my homemade mask by improved pattern of Florida. I did not follow exactly pattern, and I did not follow exactly way what they making it. I simplifies that, and video about how I did it simplifies pattern and making this mask already ready. And I don't want to advertise it unless I check it the way what they check it, the way what hospitals check masks and tell you yes it's pass or it's not. And after that, next month all these videos coming up, at least one a week about mask is coming up. And I hope you remember how I did this part. It's not elastic anymore, it's another improvement. Remember, I cut a half-inch wide strap from t-shirt and I stretch it like that, and that's what's come up with. And then you leave 4.5 inches sticking here, 4.5 inches sticking here from this my mask, and this going above ear, this going around neck, below ears. Very comfortable fit, and 6 layers of filtration. No, well, I will definitely check these two masks for the same way with hospital check masks. And one more I ready to check, which is already make, and video coming right away. How I did it. I make this type of mask. How I did it. This is only $1 and 2 minutes fixing. This is like cheapest one for poor people. That video coming as well very soon, how I did it. Thank you guys, and please, so many things on the top, so many disinfectant group of playlist of my videos. By the way, I will put right above my token. You can click on it. It will take you to all kind of disinfectants what I suggest, and how to make homemade wipes and sprays, what I prefer and why. It's going to be right above my tokens, that white line. And in the end of this video going to be much more references. You can click it on. More is 115 videos on channel. Please subscribe and check all of them. Thank you for your time.